Oh boy, I really did it this time, y'all. Alright y'all, man, so what's going on, and welcome to today's video. Let's just get into today's video. Getting into today's video. As y'all know, I have a front lip on the car, and the car is really low to the ground. Probably have like maybe this much clearance. So on the way back from the Memorial meet, I actually hit a pothole, and didn't really think nothing of it. I tried to dodge the pothole, but still hit it because I couldn't swerve into the other car in another lane. But about 5 minutes later, not even that, a couple minutes later, I heard like a dragging on the ground, and then I pulled into my house, and that's when I heard like a huge crinkle, crunch, crack, whatever, everything. And once I turned the lights on, everything like that, I saw this. So yeah, this is why I haven't been driving the car. So front lip is completely done. The other side's hanging on by like a screw. So it ripped the screws out of the bumper, cracked that hole. That's the right side of the car. Cracked the whole right side of the bumper. So the bottom piece of the bumper is now hanging. The lip's cracked off. Everything's pretty much fucked on that bumper. So, or excuse me, on the lip. Everything's pretty much fucked on the lip. But on the bright side, I did already have a new lip purchase. So, and I'm not even really tripping on it too much. Just for the simple fact, it is an eBay lip. It is an eBay lip kit for the car, but still it does kind of suck. Like I said, that's part of the reason too why I hadn't bought a carbon fiber one, just because I'm so low right now and I'm not bagged or anything like that. I'm still on coilovers and I have really stiff spring rates and stuff like that. But yeah, that's one reason why I haven't bought a carbon fiber lip yet. But now would be a good time to tell y'all kind of where this car is going for the winter, since it's already here. So let me sit down just right here. I will be cutting up the fenders so I can go lower with the car. Like I said, I don't plan on doing bags at all anytime soon, or even in the near future, just because I like the way the coilovers ride. I love the stiff settings. It is kind of a pain in the ass every now and then trying to get over speed bumps and stuff like that, but hey, I mean, I chose that, so I'm not really tripping on it. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing over fenders or fender flares. Haven't fully 100% decided on it. I will be doing a wider wheel. Y'all know I'm rocking the XXR 527s, which are just essentially XXR's version of a VSXX, which are the wheels that I have coming. I know everybody always has asked me, when am I gonna get, I guess, real wheels, even though that whole real wheel, fake wheel debate is the stupidest shit I've ever heard in my life. I have a pair of Inky wheels, and I've destroyed them. These have held up longer than those wheels have, so I don't really get the debate, but whatever, you know. I'm gonna let y'all have that argument. But like I said, I've got the wheels coming. Also, I probably will be changing the wheel color. I'm not 100% sure yet. So just drop down in the comments some colors y'all would like to see, man. I really want to stick with the Tiffany blue just because it's different. I don't see too many people with it. I kind of want to go back to like the highlighter yellow color, or maybe just do a full lime green. The car is going to be getting caged. Seats are coming. A lot of stuff is coming for the channel, y'all. So if you're not already subscribed, man, just take a few seconds, hit that subscribe button down below, and get tuned in. But today, in today's video, we're going to be putting the new lip on, and also I have some new lugs, because the lugs on the car that I have are actually some AutoZone tuner lugs that I had just scrambled to get when I first got the wheels, because I had forgot the factory lug nuts weren't going to work. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up and get started on this front lip, and I will update y'all once I get done. y'all, so it's actually trying to start raining a little bit, so I'm going to slide the camera. I'm gonna put the camera up for a second. I'll update y'all once I get fully done with this. All right, so I've got the lip on. As you can see, I like the lip because it pokes out a little bit right here on the sides, both sides. But you can't see it on camera, but there's like a little bit of clearance right here. So I've actually got to go grab my drill and drill a couple holes. That way it sits right up on the bumper. But yeah, it's starting to rain right now, man, so I'm probably gonna pick this up once I get the lug nuts and everything on, because it's starting to kind of, like I said, it's starting to kind of rain a little bit. So I'll update y'all once I get the lug nuts. All right, y'all, so I was able to kind of sort of get the lip put on, get it finished up. Like I said, it started raining, and I have a garage and everything, but there's not a lot of light in there, so it's kind of hard for me to film. But I'm actually about to head back to the old house, finish getting some stuff. Like I said, I'm moving. I gotta grab my drill anyway. That way I can drill a couple more holes so I can get the lip actually sitting upright. Because from the video you can't see it, but there's like a little tiny gap between the lip where it's like not perfectly flat, and that's because I don't have any screws or anything in it. So the plan was to wash the car and try and get the new lug. So I'm probably just gonna end the video here. I have been telling y'all I'm getting another project car. I'm getting closer and closer to deciding on which one it is. For you all that have stayed all the way to the end of the video, I appreciate it. Thank you. If you are enjoying the content, just give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're getting closer and closer, like I said, to the new car reveal. Some of y'all already know what it is, but I'm going back to my roots, man. I miss drifting a whole lot, and a lot of y'all know that's how I came into the game, came into like the car world and everything like that, and came, you know, that's how I got into cars, was through drifting and all that stuff, like watching back in the old JDM option videos and stuff like that. So I will have it very, very soon, and I think y'all will like it. And I'm gonna do a bare bones build. Like, I'm not gonna do anything that's already been built or anything. I'm gonna start from scratch, and we're gonna build the car together. And no, it's not gonna be an FRS or a BRZ. You don't have to worry about any of that. I'm so tired of seeing that car. It's overplayed. It's overused. Every YouTuber has it. Like, there's nothing unique about it anymore. And like, even if I were to do that, I feel like it'd be a waste of time, because I don't like the platform that much at all. Like I said, I'm very old school when it comes to like my cars and just like the way I style my car. So hopefully in the next video I can get the lip situated on the car, get the holes drilled, get it bolted up perfectly, get the new lugs, the lug nuts and everything on. Hopefully by then I'll have the headers. The headers should be here, equal length headers, so we may be getting those on in the next video. Hopefully my mid pipe and down pipe are done. So thank you all for staying to the end of the video, man, and until the next one, man, peace out. Thanks for watching.